Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device by holding your power button. In a moment, this will show up with your boot options. From here, select power off twice. And this will turn off the device, and my camera will most likely lose focus for no reason. So let me just put my hand here. Now, once the device is off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now, when you see the HUAWEI logo on a screen somewhere here, you will want to let go of the power button. There we go. But keep holding volume up. And this takes us to the recovery mode. In here, simply click on clear data and then wipe cache partition. And this goes through a very quick cache wipe. As you can see, it's already finished. So once it's finished, we can select it back. And then, before I click on restart, I do want to warn you, this garbage will be stupidly loud for no reason. Winnie the Pooh might be going deaf, so I guess HUAWEI needs to bring up the volumes of their devices so he can hear it boot up. So, plug your ears, be warned. Okay, there we go. How graceful of HUAWEI that they don't allow us to change the volume of this. Anyway, you can see our device is back up with the cache wipe being, well, wiped. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.